Since the beginning of Earth's existence, there have been 5 mass extinctions. Now you may be wondering, what is a mass extinction? Well, a mass extinction is defined as a rapid decrease in biodiversity, where at least half of all species on Earth die out in a short period of time. The first mass extinction was the Ordovician Silurian extinction. This occurred 444 million years ago in the Paleozoic era, when a brutal ice age greatly lowered sea levels, possibly because of the formation of the Appalachian mountain range. Many animals struggled to survive in the cold temperatures and failed to adapt to the harsh new climate. 88% of all species on Earth died, including graptolites, trilobites, and brachiopods. The second mass extinction was the late Devonian extinction, occurring 375 million years ago. Although the true cause behind this extinction event is still being debated by scientists, one of the leading theories, known as the Devonian plant hypothesis, reasons that the newly evolved terrestrial plants that arose during this time period are at fault. These vascular plants greatly impacted the land as their roots broke down rocks to help to create soil. Nutrients and minerals were released into the ground, some of which eventually washing into oceans and rivers. But these nutrients, which are key food sources for algae, caused algal blooms to pop up across the oceans. Bacteria then broke down this algae, using oxygen in the process. As a result, many anoxic zones, areas of water that are depleted of oxygen, arose across the oceans and forced animals to search for habitable locations. In the end, over 86% of all species on Earth were lost. The third mass extinction was the Permian extinction, also known as the Great Dying, and it took place approximately 251 million years ago. Over 95% of all species on Earth became extinct, making this extinction event the most catastrophic in Earth's history. The Great Dying's cause has been heavily debated by scientists, but most contribute this massive extinction to volcanic eruptions. Volcanic eruptions release many toxins into the air, such as carbon dioxide, causing methogenic bacteria to release methane, a greenhouse gas, as a response. Global temperatures increase significantly, and both marine and land animals struggle to adapt to the ever-changing climate. By the end of the Permian period, over 96% of marine animals became extinct, and 70% of land animals became extinct. The fourth mass extinction was the Triassic extinction, occurring 200 million years ago. Similar to the Permian extinction, this extinction event was caused by volcanic activity. As the supercontinent Pangaea began to rift apart and North America began to separate from Africa, lava began pouring out onto the Earth. Volcanic activity greatly increased, releasing carbon dioxide and other gases into the atmosphere. As a result, global temperatures increased significantly, just like in the Permian period, and many animals failed to adapt. Over 80% of species on Earth were lost during this mass extinction. The last mass extinction was the Cretaceous extinction. This took place approximately 65 million years ago, when a large asteroid, almost 6 miles in diameter, hit the Earth and the Yucatan Peninsula, eventually killing off about 76% of all species on Earth. This impact caused a giant dust cloud to rise up into the atmosphere and surround the planet, blocking sunlight from reaching the Earth. Plants and other photosynthetic organisms perished as they were not able to undergo photosynthesis, causing other animals further up in the food chain to die as well. Although nearly all non-avian dinosaurs and many marine invertebrates became extinct, the Cretaceous extinction paved the way for the rise of mammals and eventually humans. As of now, we are currently in the midst of a sixth mass extinction, an extinction that's being caused by us humans. Dozens of species are becoming extinct every day because of overhunting, habitat destruction, climate change, and pollution. It is estimated that up to 50% of all species on Earth could potentially become extinct by 2050. Our world is in danger. If we don't act now, this glorious planet that we and so many other species call home could perish forever.